What if I told you, you don't need more clients? You don't need more time, and you don't need more effort. And you don't need more effort to make $1,000 per day online? Money bag. Most people think the only way to earn more is to work more. But in reality, the biggest money is made when you learn how to scale. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to scale your AI business from small income to $1,000 per day. In the previous videos, we talked about making your first money building passive income, starting an AI business. But now, it's time to scale. Because starting is easy, scaling is what separates beginners from professionals. And if you target high-paying markets like the United States *** United States, you can grow much faster. Part 1. Why most people never reach $1,000 per day. Let's be honest, most people get stuck at $50, $100 day. Why? They work alone, they charge too low, they don't use systems, they don't scale. They think, more work equals more money. But real growth comes from, better system equals more money. Part 2. The scaling mindset. To reach $1,000 a day, you need to think differently. Stop thinking, I need more clients. Start thinking, how can I earn more from the same effort? This is called leverage. Leverage equals using tools, systems, and strategy to multiply results. Part 3. 3 ways to scale your RE business. Method 1. Increase pricing. Most beginners undercharge. Instead of $10 per service, charge $100, $500. Why? Because clients pay for value. If you can solve a problem, they will pay more. Method 2. Productize your service. Turn your service into packages. Example: basic, $100 standard, $300 premium, $500. Method 3. Use AI tools to speed up work, handle multiple clients, reduce effort. This is how you scale without burnout. Part 4. Building systems. Now let's build systems. System 1. Client acquisition. System 2. Work delivery. System 3. Follow. When you have systems, your business runs smoothly. Part 5. Getting high-paying clients. To reach $1,000 a day, you need better clients. Where to find them? LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. Target people who already have audience, have business, have budget. Part 6. Scaling strategy. Now combine everything. High price, multiple clients, fast delivery. Example: $200 times 5 clients equals 1. Part 7. Add passive income. Now add YouTube income, digital products, affiliate marketing. Now your income multiplies. Part 8. Mistakes. Big mistakes. Staying cheap. Doing everything manually, not improving skills. No system. Final message. Scaling your AI business is not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Use AI, build systems, increase value. And you can reach $1,000 per day faster than you think. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe. And in the next video, we'll go even deeper into building a full online empire.